Ever wondered just how deep the roots of gender inequality go? How far we've come, and how far we still have to go? Let's dive into some facts that might surprise you. First, let's ponder this. What proportion of parliamentarians around the world are women? The answer is just 23%. That's less than a quarter of all those making key decisions for their nations. Now let's consider this. Which of these statements is true? Do men earn 20% more than women for equal work, or do women work an average of 4 years more than men throughout the world? The answer may astound you. Women indeed work an average of 4 years more than men globally. Moving on, consider literacy. Of the 815 million people in the world unable to read and write, 2/3 are women. A staggering figure that underscores the urgency for more equitable education opportunities. And what about the scientific community? Women make up just 29% of researchers worldwide, a clear indication that more needs to be done to encourage and support women in the sciences. Interestingly, only 2 countries in the world, Rwanda and Bolivia, have more women than men in parliament. A positive step towards gender balance in leadership, but one that is far from the norm. In terms of progress, 3 countries were notable for their improved gender equality in 2017: Rwanda, Nicaragua, and Slovenia. And here's a historical fact. Finland was the first country in the world to give women the right to vote and stand for election. Let's talk about workforce participation. If 75% of men are active in work or actively seeking it around the world, the equivalent proportion of active women is 48.5%. And leadership at the highest level? Only 16 countries in the world currently have a female president or prime minister. Lastly, according to the World Economic Forum, gender inequalities at work will not disappear until the year 2234. So to summarize, while progress has been made, there is still a long road ahead in the fight for gender equality. From political representation to workforce participation, literacy to leadership, the scales are still tipped in favor of men. But with continued efforts and a commitment to change, we can look forward to a future where everyone, regardless of gender, has equal opportunities and rights. Until then, let's keep asking questions, seeking answers, and pushing for progress.